Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a biology class of standard 10 chapter 5. Today's topic is energy in food ingredients. Energy in food ingredients. Among the 6 nutrients, only protein, carbohydrates and fats can produce energy. The other 3 ingredients can't do it. That means vitamins, minerals and water can't produce the energy of human body. Energy consumption depends on muscle contraction and relaxation. The more the muscles will contract or expand, the more energy will be spent. The consumption of energy depends on work. So, is energy required if we do not work or move? If we do not perform any physical activities or work, only pass our time idly, we still need food. We feel hungry. Energy is also spent when resting. How does it happen? When taking rest, our external organs like hand, leg do not work, but during respiration, contraction and relaxation of lung take part, as well as the blood circulation will continue. That means contraction and relaxation of heart will be needed. So all the muscles involved in these functions contract and relax to perform work as a whole. So consumption of energy still goes on. This energy is called basic metabolic energy. The energy required for a person depends on 3 factors. Number 1, basic metabolic rate or BMR, type of daily physical labor and influence of food. Standard unit to calculate food energy. The unit to measure heat energy is the calorie. The energy released from the food is heat energy. According to physics, 1000 calorie or 1 kilocalorie is required to increase the temperature of 1 kilogram by 1 degree centigrade. According to international standards, kilojoule should be used instead of kilocalorie. In this case, 1 food calorie equal to 1 kilocalorie equal to 4.2 kilojoule. That means 1 food calorie equal to 4.2 kilojoule as well as 1 kilocalorie equal to 4.2 kilojoule. Determining food energy. To measure the amount of energy of nutrients, we have to know about the nature of the foods. Nature of nutrients in mixed food and pure foods. Nature of food means whether it is mixed or single food. Mixed food like milk, egg, khichdi and guava contains more than one nutrient. On the other hand, single food like sugar, glucose contains only one nutrient. but most of the time we take the foods, these are the mixed food. Most of the time we take the food, these are mixed food: rice, beef, fish, and other vegetables, fruits, etc. Nutrients and determining of its amount. After knowing the nature of food, we should know which food contains what nutrients in what amounts. The nutritional constitutes their amount, and food value can be known for food value chart. That means if we like to make a food value chart, we have to know the food value of different vegetables, fruits, and other taken foods. Determining calorie. After knowing about the ingredients of the food and their amounts, we have to calculate the calories of carbohydrates, protein, and fat. In this case, we calculate it considering the calorie value of vitamins, mineral salts, and water as 0, because I have told vitamins, minerals, and water don't take part to produce the heat energy of our body. The following table shows the amount of calorie per gram of elements. That means 1 gram carbohydrate we get 4 calorie, 1 gram protein we get 4 calorie, 1 gram fat we get 9 calorie. As per example, if 20 gram sira contains 15.4 gram carbohydrate, which is 77% of total sira, 1.32 gram protein, which is 6.6% of sira, and 0.24 gram fat, which is the calorie of 1 gram sira. Let us determine the calorie of 20 gram of sira. According to the table, the same amount of sira contains. Then according to formula, from 15.4 gram carbohydrates, correct it, 15.4 into 4, that means 61.6 food calorie. On the other hand, from protein we get 5.28 food calorie, and from fat we get 2.16 food calorie within 20 gram sira. That means total we get 69.04 food calorie or 69.04 kilocalorie. So, caloric value of 1 kg of sira, we have determined the 20 gram sira. Here, caloric value of 1 kg of sira, 69.04 into 1000, because it is 1 kg divided by 2, because we have determined 20 gram. That means 3452 calorie. Since 1 kilocalorie equal to 4.2 calorie, you know 1 kilocalorie, that means 1 food calorie equal to 1 kilocalorie. 1 food calorie equal to 1 kilocalorie. If 1 kilocalorie equal to 4.2 kilojoule, that means 1 kilocalorie equal to 4.2 kilojoule as well as 1 food calorie equal to 4.2 kilojoule. Therefore, 3452 kilocalorie equal to 14,490 kilojoule approximately. An adult person usually needs 2000 to 2500 food caloric, but this can be more or less depending on gender, that means male and female, or nature of activities. Hard worker need more, and who don't perform the physical activities at all need less amount of food calorie. If kilocalorie intake is more than necessary, it is stored in the body as fat. That means you need 2000 kilocalorie or food caloric per day, but you have taken the food and you earn 2500 food caloric, then 500 food caloric which is not needed for your body. That's why it will stored into our body for the further time, and it will converts into fat, which is harmful for our body. Thank you.